Carl M. Vogel. Carl M. Vogel, March 7, 1955, April 14, 2016, was a Republican member of the Missouri Senate, United States, who represented the 6th District from 2003 through 2011. Previously, he was a member of the Missouri House of Representatives from 1991 through 2000. He graduated from Helias High School in his native Jefferson City, Missouri, and later from the University of Missouri at Columbia, with a Bachelor of Arts degree. He and his wife, Kimberly, have two children, Jacob and Kristen. He was the manager of the Jefferson City Coca-Cola bottling company. He was a member of the St. Joseph Cathedral, the Lions International, the Jaycees, the Roman Catholic Men's Organization, the Knights of Columbus, and Rotary International. He had previously served as the Jefferson City Housing Authority Commissioner. While in the Missouri Senate, Vogel served as the chair of the Way and Means Committee, vice chair of the Small Business Insurance and Industrial Relations Committee, and a member of the Economic Development, Tourism, and Local Government Committee. Vogel died on April 14, 2016, at Barnes Jewish Hospital in St. Louis from pancreatic cancer.